subtle thrill. Shadows dance on the windowsill. Concrete dreams in the glow collide. Breathe it in, let the waves decide. Streetlights flicker, a Morse code plea. Whispers rise from the cracks in the street. Loose-lipped poets on cobbled ground. Every word a kaleidoscope sound. We're chasing night lights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right if the world's not wrong. Echoes rewind, spin back the dial. Drunk on the charm of this retro style. Think aside, let the moonlight guide. In this city we collide. Glass hearts tick to the beat they keep. Fog hides truth in a smoky sweep. Moments kissed by the amber haze. Soulstone stars light their reckless gaze. We're chasing night lights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan. Chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streams we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets